Alright, part 2, got that fixed. I'll try and show you guys without breaking his truck. Nice. Pulled the front end up, which is actually quite surprising for the stock motor with that many batteries on it. We actually weighed his truck the other day. His truck weighs in at 7 pounds and mine's 8. So he's only a pound shy of the Wheelie King. But he's definitely getting some good power. Ooh, a squirrel. I don't want to go too nuts, guys. It's not mine. But he was kind of depressed because it wasn't running very good, so figured I'll let him borrow my controller for a while, or my receiver. That way you can have some fun with it again. Because yeah, it's like 120 bucks just for a basic 2.4. So this will get him running for free right now. It hesitates when it's like standing still, but once you get her rolling, she goes pretty good. Aww. So yeah, it's pretty good for just 2-cell. Two cell at about 20,000. What the hell was that? That was weird. So I think my bro will be happy that he can play with it again. Oh no, it's running away. Oh. Well, I guess that's an indication I'm having too much fun. Lights blinking at me. Well, like I said, he should be happy. And I just felt the motor cut out because the remote's getting weak. She's definitely running nice. Oop, missing the shots here. Close. Ugh, damn mosquitoes. Alright, get her back before the remote completely dies. You can hear it squawk all fours on cement. Wow, yeah, not bad for 2-cell. Not bad for the price either. This is all still stock redcat equipment, except for the receiver because it died like after the first couple days. Yeah, guys, that's my original water sealed FM HPI receiver. Still works like a charm. And yeah, he was definitely lacking throttle range with the other receiver because it had only maybe half throttle. Boots now. So yeah, he'll be happy. Remote's still flashing away. Oop, oop, tree. Oh man, talk about sunlight. Oh, I think I missed it. Oh. Anyway, guys. Oh. Hope you enjoyed. There we go. I know Nate will. So, check you guys later.